Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the essentials first. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch use the same Apple ID, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth and are updated. Once done, charge them above 20% and unlock both. Now, on your Apple Watch, swipe up to open Control Center. This is where you begin. You start Airdrop from the Control Center for speed. Make sure the devices are within about 10 meters so discovery is reliable. And get ready to change Airdrop visibility settings next. Once the Control Center is expanded, press the network card to reveal Airdrop. You tap the Airdrop icon, then choose Contacts Only for privacy or Everyone for quick sharing. That selection controls who can see your watch. Make sure your iPhone's Airdrop setting matches to avoid conflicts. Mismatched settings block transfers. If Contacts Only is selected, both devices must recognize each other in contacts. After choosing, the watch becomes discoverable. You can now send or receive files from nearby Apple devices. To send, open the item on your iPhone, tap Share, pick Airdrop, then select the target device. Your watch will prompt you to accept. When receiving, accept on the watch's screen. If nothing appears, check notifications and ensure the watch face isn't Do Not Disturb. If transfers fail, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, restart both devices, and verify Apple ID on each. One key troubleshooting tip. If discovery still fails, sign out of iCloud on the iPhone, sign back in, and re-enable AirDrop to reset pairing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.